Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick question. Have you ever noticed how you get paid, and then somehow your money just disappears? Like, you're working, you're earning, but it never really sticks. Here's the thing. It's not just about how much you make. Most people are missing one simple idea that actually changes everything. Ownership. In this video, I'll show you why that matters. And a simple way to start using your money smarter, even if you're not making a lot right now. Let's get into it. You don't have a money problem. You have an ownership problem. Let that hit for a second. If your income disappeared tomorrow, would anything still pay you? Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money, and then wonder why they never get ahead. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't own assets, you are the asset. The wealthiest people? They all own something. Businesses, investments, skills, or inherited systems. Meanwhile, the average person gets paid, pays bills, starts over at zero. Ever notice how payday feels like winning? And 5 days later, you're broke again? That's not random. That's a cycle. Example 1. Time versus money. Meet Alex. Alex earns 2,000 euros per month. Solid job. Works hard. But here's the catch. When Alex stops working, income stops too. Now compare that to someone who owns assets. They sleep. Money still moves. Sleep equals no money. Or sleep equals paid? Is there a difference? Example 2. Starting early. 2 people. One starts investing at 20. One waits until 30. The second person invests more money every month and still loses. Why? Because time is doing the heavy lifting. Waiting 10 years doesn't cost you money. It costs you multipliers. Example 3. Fake rich versus real rich person. A. Designer clothes, expensive car, always out. Person B. Simple lifestyle, quiet savings, investing consistently. Guess who's actually wealthy? Spoiler. Wealth is invisible. If it looks rich, it's probably not. Solution. The ownership system. 25, 15, 50, 10. So how do you escape this cycle? You need a system, not motivation. Here's a simple framework. 1. 25%. Growth. This is your future money. Use it to buy assets, index funds, skills that increase income, businesses, real estate, or REITs. Key idea. Your money should start working harder than you. If your money isn't growing, inflation is eating it. 2. 15%. Stability. This is your safety net, because life will hit you. Job loss, car repairs, emergencies. Build 3 to 5 months of essential expenses. Rules. Accessible, safe, still earning, high-yield savings. One bad week shouldn't destroy your entire life. 3. 50% to essentials. This is survival, not lifestyle flexing. Real essentials. Rent, food, transport, bills. Not essentials. Subscriptions you forgot, daily takeout, treating yourself every day. Most needs are just well-marketed wants. 4. 10%. Enjoyment. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy money, but strategically. Use it for experiences, travel, hobbies, relationships. This prevents burnout. If your plan has zero fun, it will fail. Quick recap. Let's simplify. 25%. Build wealth 15%. Protect yourself 50%. Survive smart 10%. Stay sane Do this consistently, and your life starts compounding. Not just your money. If you got value from this, hit subscribe. I break down money in ways that actually make sense. And I'm curious, what's the one thing you currently own that makes you money?